Good morning students, welcome back to our innovative YouTube channel. In today's lecture I am going to take 10th standard English. Today I am going to take standard 10th chapter number 3 part 2. In my previous lecture I have already given the detailed information of part 1. Now in this part 2 the name of the part 2 is Black Aeroplane, and which is written by Frederick Forsyth. In this chapter, in this part, this is the whole thing talking about the black aeroplane. This is the mystery. At the end also, end of this chapter also, the mystery is still going on, that who and where was this black aeroplane? Who was the pilot of that black aeroplane, and that where does that black aeroplane go? Now this story begins with a pilot who is very eager to go back to France to enjoy the weekend with his family. So from England he started to fly at the evening time, the night time actually. The cloud was very clear and he was able to flew the Dakota aeroplane. He was alone in this aeroplane, right? Now there's the evening time, the stars were shining, the evening was very nice, and this pilot moved towards them. And during this flying time, he thought that he has to inform Paris control that he is going to go through that. And during that time only, he found that the fuel is very less. Even in one tank, the fuel already came to end, and the another tank is still full of fuel. But he think that he will easily reach at the destination with wholesome fuel. He said that it was around 1:30 of the morning and 150 kilometers was away from the Paris, that home. And suddenly he found some cloudy atmosphere in front of him. Then what happened? This cloudy atmosphere, when he seen, then that time the compass, right, from where he can identify the destination, the direction where he is flying, was not working properly, right? Even the fuel was very less. Then he think that if he will go through this storm, then it will be very dangerous for him, even for this Dakota aeroplane. And if we move round from the storm, or we will go down from the storm, then that much fuel is not there. So what should he has to do? Compass is not working, fuel is very less, and in front of that aeroplane, this Dakota aeroplane, the very big storm is there. What he has to do? But anyhow, he has to survive that time. So he is going inside the storm, and he is just praying to God that he has to help him. At that time, he seen a black aeroplane in that storm only. This black aeroplane doesn't have any kind of lights of their wings, but this Dakota aeroplane pilot can easily see that black aeroplane's pilot's face. It was very near to him. It was exactly near to this Dakota aeroplane, and from there he waving his hand and just given the signal that he has to follow him. This black aeroplane pilot told this Dakota aeroplane pilot that follow him, and as a innocent child, this Dakota aeroplane pilot easily followed them. During that time, he was not able to see anything because storm was there, right? A lot of clouds were there, lots of air was there, right? So that time, what he did, he just easily followed that, right? Now, this Dakota aeroplane pilot can see that black aeroplane only, because it was a image that he can follow, right? And he follow him, and finally he reached some place where he can land the aeroplane, and the same thing happened with that aeroplane also. and after some time he can find out that this is a runway of airport, and finally he land his plane and quickly find out that where is that black aeroplane. But the black aeroplane was not that. It was not on the track also, on that path also, or in this airport also. He quickly went to the control room and then asked a lady who was sitting over there that where is that black aeroplane. With the help, he finally reached at the destination. He wants to thank them, right? But that lady told that according to that radar, he could only find his Dakota aeroplane only. There was no other aeroplane during the storm. Even when they came down, this Dakota aeroplane was only there. That black aeroplane was nowhere. And it was a very surprising moment for that lady also, even this Dakota aeroplane pilot also. Then finally, where was that plane? Who was there to help him? The God sent some spirit to help him. What the actually thing happened that time? So there is the mystery, right? In this chapter, both these parts are talking about the flying only, right? And in this part, especially this black aeroplane, the flying situation is very mysterious, right? Till nowadays only, right? Where was that black aeroplane? Where they land? There is new news about that. And here, the Dakota aeroplane pilot is also in shocking place. That who came to help him, right? So in this situation, this pilot, the Dakota aeroplane pilot, wants to find out that who actually that pilot was, right? Because in this kind of situation, nobody came to help him because the fuel was less. Even the compass box from where he can find out the destination, the direction was not working properly. There was no kind of any hope to live in. And at that situation, that time, that black aeroplane pilot came and the whole kind of hope arose at that time. So finally, from this chapter we find out that if we are in any problem, if we are in a very confusing situation, or I can say if we are in a very worse situation, right? God will always open a small window. Here, a small window means He will always open one option. He will always give a one option to solve that matter, to solve that worst situation. But we have to grab that opportunity to find out that window, and we have a deep faith on our God. Then only during that situation we can find, even we can face any kind of problem. So we have a deep faith to our God, towards our God, right? Then only He will come to help us anytime. That's true that He has so many work. But if we are a very true person, if we are very loyal to our life, then He will send some spirit to save us. So in this story, we find out the moral also that we have to be very helpful, and if we are very in confused situation or in very worse situation, so somebody will help us. So this is a good person. This is a good human being who always helps us. Even at that situation also, in this situation, the black aeroplane pilot came there as a spirit actually, right? Who helped this Dakota aeroplane pilot. So thank you so much everybody. I hope you like this video and you get some enough moral value on this chapter, right? Thank you so much.